My name's Gavin Marx. I'm a medical oncologist at the Sydney Adventist Hospital. I'm the clinical director of the Integrated Cancer Centre, and I'm the director of the SAN Clinical Trials Unit. I think clinical trials are very exciting, and I think that's for a number of reasons. The first is that through clinical trials in the last 5 to 10 years, we've seen major progress, major advances in the way we look after our patients with cancer. We have new treatments now that have significantly improved their survival, improved their outcomes, and the results are as a result of previous clinical trials. So being a part of seeing how this evolution has occurred in a relatively short period of time, we've seen major progress. And so I'm very excited from an academic and research point of view. The other reason why I'm excited about clinical trials is that there is a real advantage to our patients today in that they're able to access drugs that they otherwise wouldn't be able to access. So for me, that is one of the real benefits of clinical trial research at the moment for my current patients, is that we're able to give them drugs that are just not available in the current environment, but are likely to become available in the next 5 or 10 years, but obviously that's not going to be relevant for them then. So it's a way that not only are we pushing the boundaries in cancer research and improving the outcomes for future generations, but for patients today, they're able to access drugs that they otherwise wouldn't be able to access. And I think that's a very important thing about clinical trials as well. Now, it's important to understand that clinical trials are not always available or suitable for an individual patient's situation, and that's something that would need to be addressed by the doctor looking after them. And sometimes it's not relevant that the clinical trial is available at the institution where the patient is being treated, but there's a lot of networks that we're all involved in where I know that, look, if I can't give a patient this particular trial, but my colleague down the road is, we will transfer patients between units to make sure that they access clinical trials if they're available and suitable.